Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be creating a card using a sketch from Kendra's card challenge number 13, and Trinity Stamp is a super sponsor, so I will be combining the card sketch with some products from Trinity. And here I'm just showing you a bunch of the pattern papers that I have from Trinity. I believe most of these are retired, but you might find them at retailers or at Trinity's website. I will link them if I have them. Trinity has some other really beautiful pattern paper as well, and I will also share how you can create your own in this video. But there you can see which paper I sort of plan to use, and I have my computer to the side and I had my card sketched there on the computer. I cut my pieces down to fit, and I am using the design called number 2. This is a really beautiful background called reversed floral. It's super beautiful, and I paired it up with a pink color, and I'm using my stamp wheel here from Altenew, just pressing it down. I'm really working those abs no, not my abs, my arm muscles, to press that down. And you can see I cut my layers once more to the right size, and for this I, instead of using that square, I am using a heart. This one is called Swirly Hearts, and it's really beautiful. And here I am also stamping with some clear ink. Sorry about the lighting. It's January and it's really hard to film. At night it's completely black, and at the day it's sort of like 2 hours of sun here in Sweden. So I try to grab them, but the sun is so low, so I cannot even. This is with my curtains like really far down, even though the light is really bad. So I'm sorry about that. So these are from the Simplest Sentimentals, the coordinating dies. I used the stamp and the coordinating dies from the Love set, and here's the Hello, just the coordinating dies. So now I will start attaching everything. So you can see how I'm just laying all of this out, attaching everything to the to my card base. You can see I sort of skipped the like second to largest set of like paper. I thought this was really fun. I will bump this up with some adhesive, and to follow a sketch is really fun, and you get some new ideas on how you can combine, especially paper, I think, but the design in general, and you can really get like quick card or several if you follow all of the designs. I didn't do it for today, but you have a guide to save paper as well. But I just wanted to create 2 cards, so I did this. But you can really play around with these designs and sketches to see what works for you. And this is what I mainly would do. I would take the design and then I would create something similar. So for example, here I'm using the heart and a sentiment in the middle. I believe it says that it should be a sentiment for this one. So really cute, but you have a lot of designs that you can play with. There will also an element up in the corner here, the right corner, so I just picked some bubbles from Trinity. I will have them listed down below for you, and I will probably show them as well. So here I'm showing you which one I used. I think these are super beautiful. And yeah, this video is a part of a video hop to celebrate the collaboration between Trinity and Kendra's card challenge. So I will have this in a playlist, and you can go and check out all of the videos from both of the design teams. And I hope you enjoyed this and maybe got inspired to create some cards of your own with these sketches. So a really great point and starting point. So I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!